Good morning, fifth graders. Welcome to week 1 of our next unit. Now, you've probably already turned in your My Word Study book number 1. And if you haven't yet, you might want to remember or remind myself or your teacher that you're turning that one in. And for this week, you're going to need the My Word Study book number 2. All right, and today is the start of week 1 of our new pathway, and we're on day 1. Okay, so just like we've done in the past, we're going to start the first day of the week with reading, reviewing, and practicing high-frequency words. Okay, on our mission to become better readers and spellers. All right, so we have our high-frequency word routine that you're familiar with. All right, and the words that we're focusing in on today are come, could, cut, day, and different. Okay, so you're going to practice saying them, practice spelling them in your head. And then the last step of that routine, remember, is to write a sentence for each of the high frequency words. And those will go right in your English notebook. And don't forget to fill in your table of contents. All right, good luck today, fifth graders.